And y'all know I've been looking for a Japanese maple. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's on. Wait. It's $54 for that one. And this one, it's the same size. It's $100. No, this one's a little bit smaller. Beside the point. They're $300 in Florida. Why are they like $100 and $50 here? Now, this is something that I will take home with me. Oh, they're going to tell me you can't be Japanese maple. And they have different types of emperor. So it's so good seeing them in blue. So the emperor is a darker red, while the blood good is more of the red that I'm looking for. Wow, I'm happy I got to see them flowering. Well, the leaves are red. Wow. But why are they so much cheaper than mine? They're $300 and $400 in my garden center, guys. Meanwhile, look at this, $175, and these are way bigger. Wow. Too bad I can't bring it home. Man, this is something that I would definitely have gotten. What zone does it say? It says zone 5, but I'm gonna try and make it work in mine. Hello everyone, we are at Lowe's Garden Center. Hydrangeas are out. Even in zone 7A, guys, you got bulbs. I think these are the elephant ears. $15.99. Are these the elephant ears? Yep. These are some jumbo elephant. Look at it. They're bigger than my hand. I thought these were bare root roses, but they were actually fruits. Like berries and strawberries. And there are a lot of pansies. So you can get your spring planting on. Look at this. Fruit punch maraschino. These are so pretty. I've never seen this before. This is pretty. And of course you got your lemon coral sedums. So this one have lots of proven winners items here as well. Oh, the alyssum smells so good. I always love seeing alyssums in the garden centers because they smell divine. Creeping phlox. I wonder if I can take this home with me. This is the creeping phlox. It's so pretty. What's that over there? It's a verbena. Oh my gosh, this is pretty. I saw the impatient gardener. She was on vacation and she actually purchased plants while she was on her trip and packaged them in her suitcase and brought it on the plane. So I'm like, if I see anything I like, I have tips on how to package up my plants and take them home with me. So let's see if I see anything. Oh, these are lupines. Staircase lupine. These are pretty. I've never seen this in my garden center before. And I think because we're so warm. And these are a lot for cool weather temperatures. Oh my goodness, which ones are these? Blue muffin. I thought these were hydrangeas. Are these are hydrangeas? What are these? Oh, they're viburnums. Oh my goodness. These are viburnums, guys. What zone is viburnums? These are zones hedges, zones 3 to 8. This is why I haven't seen them in my garden center, because they're for zones 3 to 8. And normally your garden center don't sell plants that won't do well in your zone. But you know me, I can put them in my my forest. It says part shade, deer resistance medium. So I think it's in sun and part shade. Okay. But these are pretty, guys. I'm so tempted to get some viburnum and try it out. Okay, so now we're out the sun so we can see a bit better. So these are skybox Japanese holly. And I can read it better. So it's sun and part shade. See? Those are the Japanese holly. So pretty. And of course, you got your roses. These roses are so pretty. This is a Meet Petite. The first ever miniature knockout rose. Oh, They're cute. Look at that. So there's some miniature knockout rose, and these are the double knockout roses over here. I got them in pink and red. And for everyone who loves white roses, white drift rose are at your Lowe's. So pretty. And of course, I got some Monrovia plants. Look at this. Oh, it's a winter gem boxwood. Guys, look. Oh, the new leaves are coming in. This is full partial sun. And what zones? It says $224. What zone is this for? I have a feeling it's definitely, oh, here it is. It's zone 5 through 9. Okay. And there's also camellias and an old glory lilac. Wow. Zones 5 to 8 for this one. And this one is zone 7 to 10. This is the camellia. Oh, look at the arborvitae. So pretty. So, like I said, guys, this is a garden center in zone 7A, Tennessee. So even though you guys always say, oh, your Lowe's have a head start on us because you're in zone 9, I'm looking at colder zones, guys, and they have a lot of items. And the only thing that's not in will be the the super tunia, which are the annuals. But look at all these evergreens, so pretty. It's beautiful. Look at this, a little giant arborvitae, zones 3 to 8. Aww. It's only $19.98, but it won't survive in my zone 9 because the area that I want to have it in would be in sun. So that would not work. So these are all like, all these smaller ones are like around $20. What's this one? This is blue. Oh, here go tag right here. Bountiful blue blueberry. Oh, these are blueberries? I've never grown blueberry before. USD zone 6 to 10. Wow. So these are from Monrovia. These are blueberries from Monrovia. So pretty. And all you azalea lovers, I saw the pink azaleas in my garden center, but this one's $27.98. This is a lot bigger. Look at this. USDA zone 6A through 10. Look at these. So if you're in zone 6 to 10, these should be in your garden center. It might be a different color. I don't have the red one in mine, but I have the pink ones, and there go the pink ones over there. This is a orange twist brush cherry. It says great for hedges, zones 9 to 11. So anyone that's in South Florida, if you looking for hedges, this one's good. And this one's actually in a tree form, so that's pretty. Oh my goodness, look at this. Sea of Gold Juniper. Was this the one I saw? I think this is the one that I seen, guys. Zones 3 to 9. But look at this. This is 124. But look at the yellow on the end. That's pretty. I think this is the one I saw. I'll insert a picture if I can. So these are in ball shapes. So pretty. Wow. Wow. Look at that. So the double decker. This is a Spartan Juniper. It's 154. This is by Monrovia. And it's zones 4 through 9. Average size grows 15 feet tall, 5 feet wide in its natural form. But this is pretty. Wow. Look at the spiral one. The spiral one is pretty as well. This is a mint julep juniper. It's 309. Zones 3 to 9. Let me let you see the tag. But look at that. Oh, what's this? It's a dwarf Alberta spruce. This is what it looks like. I did not know this was the Alberta spruce. Zones 2 through 8. So for all you gardeners who are gardening in those freezing cold temperatures that you probably are covered by snow right now, Alberta spruce in your garden looks amazing. Look at this. Look at those new growths. Isn't that beautiful? That's amazing. And here another one by Monrovia. It's a double shot watermelon azalea. It's $44.98. I think I might grow azaleas 1 year. I'd have to look at the plant care and all that requirements first. Because it's zone 6 through 9. Average size, moderate growing, reach 3 feet tall and wide. So it's compact. It is a compact reblooming azalea. Displays large flowers twice a year. Well, that sucks. I don't want flowers twice a year. And you guys know most of my plants are for the flowers. Now, look at this. This is a blue juniper, zones 4 to 9. You know I already have 2 blue point junipers already. Now, this is 164. And it normally grows 8 feet tall, 10 feet wide in this natural form. But this one is like it's cute. It has like a little branches and little lollipop. It's like a multi-lollipop form. Like, look how they did the form. That's cute. So the space that I want to put my topiary in is not this size because it's too wide for the space. I want it to be like a tree form and then like little branches on it. This one is too wide. But this is cute though. It's different, so I like it. How much did I say it was again? The price on this one is, that one doesn't have a price. Let me check the other one. $164. Ooh, look at this one. Sea of gold. So this is sea of gold, but more foliage on it. Look how yellow it is. It's so pretty. Wow. And of course you get those. So I see all this space, and I'm pretty sure they're waiting for the annuals to come in for these space to get filled up. Right now it's still very cold. I think it's in the 30 degrees Fahrenheit, so it's still very cold. So annuals won't be able to survive as yet. Now guys, this is one thing I do not see in my garden center in zone 9B, Florida. They have a hooker. This is a silver gum, the Dolce silver gumdrop. And I know it's the shade plant. Let me see if I can see oh, here it is. Zones 4 to 9. So why is it not in my garden centers? It can survive in my zone 9. But look how beautiful the foliage is. So normally around this time, they can take a quite low temperatures. It can go down to, it's hardy down to zone negative. Is that saying negative 30? It is saying negative 30. Yep, that's very cold. That's unheard of in my zone. We hear 50 and we're dying. 60 and we're dying. What is this? It's a ground cover. It's so soft. Wow. It's almost like moss, but not that squishy feeling to it. This is pretty. I love it. Are these more hookers over here? Mountain perennial, coral bells. Yep. It's another hooker. This is a green type. That's pretty. What's this plant by Monrovia over here? That's the colorburst yellow Cape fuchsia. What is it? I like the foliage on it. It looks interesting. Oh, it's this over here. Oh, so it is this plant. I've never seen this before. It's like upside down petals. That's pretty. And it attracts hummingbird. This one's the yellow. 1998. These are hardy in zones. The tags are different, so I can hardiness zone 6. So they won't be coming home with me because they won't survive. Look how pretty this is. Wow. Like, this looks so much better in person. So pretty. and you can get some yellow colors in your garden in the meantime. These are doing well, and it's an outdoor garden center, so they're not freezing or anything. Look at the color lilies, so pretty. Those are $17.98. Wow. These are so pretty. So here goes some dahlias for $10.98. These are different from the ones I have in my garden center. Gladiolas, dahlias. And it continues on. There's a lot more evergreens out here. And I think it's just extras of what I've seen already. But guys, it is freezing cold. This Florida girl has to head back on in. Oh, let me show you this before I head in. Like, look at this. Look at these arborvitaes, little giant arborvitaes. And the sun is so harsh, so I'm so sorry. So I can get behind the sun. Peach trees are coming in. All the arborvitaes. Look how beautiful. So all my zone 7 friends, Lowe's have a lot of new stuff in, and I'm so excited for you guys. Oh, look at this. I keep getting distracted by new plants. It's like freezing and I need to get inside. Blue Atlas cedar. Huh. That's pretty. It's given a, let me see if we can get a good shot in the shade. Look at this. It is blue. Here you go, green right here. And look how blue it is. That's so pretty. And I'm pretty sure it's not a zone 9. Let me see. Zones, none hardy in zones 1 to 5, so it's hardy in zone 6. We're in 7A, so it's fine here. And here goes some more green giant arborvitae, but smaller ones. The smaller ones, let me see how much they are. $14.98. Look how big it gets. It's so beautiful. But for real, guys, my fingers are freezing. I am so like, I'm right now, I feel like, wow, I have so much things to buy, but they won't survive in my zone, and they may not survive the drive. So I'm going to hold off on getting anything and try them later. But look, so much stuff to see. This Florida girl got to get out the cold, guys. Happy gardening. Bye.